One of the first and most important steps of any tiling project is estimating how much material you'll need. In addition to helping you avoid ordering too much or too little of something, estimating quantities allows you to realistically calculate the potential cost of the project. To calculate the amount of flooring material you'll need for a room, multiply the room's length times its width, rounded to the nearest foot. This will determine the square footage. Then add 10% for waste. For example, if the room is 10 feet by 12 feet, you'd have 120 square feet. Add 10%, 12 feet, and the total is 132 square feet. If you're installing a floor tile using a diagonal pattern, or the room has lots of curves and corners, add 15% for waste. If the room has any obstructions, counters, protruding closets, and so forth, subtract their square footage from the overall square footage of the room. Calculating the amount of material needed to cover walls is essentially the same process. Measure the area to be tiled on each wall, add all the walls together, and figure the square footage. Add a waste factor of 10%, and you've got the amount of material you'll need. Ceramic trim and accent pieces are typically sold by the piece. To figure out how many you'll need, divide the total length of the border in inches by the length of the trim piece. For example, if you have 9 feet of exposed edge that needs trim, that's 108 inches. If each piece of trim is 6 inches long, divide the 108 inches you're covering by 6 inches. You'll need 18 pieces of trim. If each piece of trim was 8 inches long, you'd need 13.5 pieces. These formulas will help you estimate the quantities you'll need. To be safe, it's always a good idea to have someone with good math skills review your measurements and quantities before you place an order or start a project.